weight loss for 4 months, and I've lost 28.5 pounds. I can't say enough good things about the ladies here. They're very helpful and give you private one-on-one time every week. I was surprised at how much food you get. If you measure it out and do exactly what they say, it's amazing, and you will lose weight. Medical weight loss is a plan you can live with, and these ladies are here to give you help anytime you need it. Thank you.